Hello friends, this video rebooting your career post COVID-19 this video is addressed to millennials and post millennials. You could be a working professional or a student 2020 passed out or a future passed out. I am G.K.K. Singh, Director of Asian Institute of Quality Management, an alumnus of IIT Bombay, IIM Calcutta, with 35 plus years of experience in process excellence. Our institute is a recognized leader and expert offering training and consultancy using the tools which you see on this slide here. We operate in 8 countries and we award qualification certificates to people who complete certain courses of ours and pass the examinations. These certificates enjoy international recognition through an accreditation by a well-known body known as ASCB Europe Limited UK. Many of our past students today are working with leading MNCs and corporates in the countries listed here, like Australia, Canada, Malaysia, Singapore, and so on. During my discussions with many millennials and post-millennials, they have been expressing concern about their career post-COVID-19. So why you should spend time on this video? Because this video is an advisory for the people of India and can also be useful to people residing in other developing countries. The COVID-19 shock has turned the way we work on its head, and the role of management and employees has never been more challenging and critical. So, what could be a winning strategy for countries like India? Let us first see what did Japan do when they were destroyed in the Second World War. How did they handle the scene? So after the Second World War, they developed the mantra of the QCD, which was initially developed by Toyota company in Japan and later built up by the quality experts like Dr. Deming and Dr. Juran while working with the Japanese industry. So QCD helped the Japanese companies to become world leaders because they could achieve the high customer satisfaction and a long-term business growth. What is QCD? QCD stands for quality, that is right quality of product and service support, cost given at a reasonable price, delivery that is delivered on time. So now what could be the winning strategy for Indian organizations? Indian organizations have still a lot of scope and potential to grow if we decide to work at a global level. But to become global, we need to make better products and sell at competitive prices. So the winning strategy for Indian organizations could be to focus on QCD, spread the Made in India message in all parts of the world, and become proud participants in the Made in India revolution as citizens of India. Imagine if you travel 100 countries in the world and everywhere you find the products made in India. As citizens, we will really be proud to see that day. To implement this strategy of growth, organizations will need employees who understand the concepts of process excellence, how to achieve excellence in their processes, and who know the methodologies of applying the process excellence techniques. Dr. Juran, the quality expert who helped Japan in a big way, has predicted that 20th century was the century of productivity, but the 21st century will be the century of quality. If you review today the top 500 companies in the world, the Fortune 500 companies, you will find that nearly 85% companies out of these top 500 use the methodologies of process excellence to achieve their position in the world of business. So to achieve this made in India going global, what are the changes that organizations will expect from employees? The changes which will be expected would include things like go for the self-paced learning. Don't wait for your organization to provide your training. Upgrade yourself in different examinations to achieve qualification certificates. Become flexible by developing multi-skills. You could become capable to work in different roles. Be open to work in different locations and challenging environments. Use more creativity on the job. Innovation is going to be a key requirement in the days to come. And again, don't expect a permanent job all the time. Permanent job puts us into a comfort zone, which in a way reduces our creativity and reduces our ability to give the best. So be ready to work on project-based assignments, which could be short-term assignments. The tools of process excellence include the ISO 9001 Quality Management System, Total Quality Management, TQM, Kaizen Lean Management, and Six Sigma. These tools are time-tested and they are being used in all over the world, right from 1960s, and now it's nearly 60 years, and some of these tools are 60 years old, some are there for last 50 years, and some are there for last 35 to 40 years. This video is advisory in nature, and to advise you, our recommendation for the viewers here is to upskill yourself if you want to become a part of the Made in India revolution. This upskilling is not going to be a one-time effort, but this would be an ongoing effort to upskill yourself and grow in your career. The qualifications that are possible for you to upskill in the area of process excellence are listed here in this slide, which includes the levels of Lean Six Sigma, which are normally defined as belts. So you can become a green belt, a black belt, then you could become a certified Kaizen Lean manager, a certified TQM manager, and so on. So the list is given here just as a ready reference. These qualifications will prepare the students to face the worldwide challenges after the post-COVID-19, because it could mean, due to the knowledge, these professionals and students will be able to give good results for the organization. Good results for the organization means good quality, reasonable cost, delivery on time, happy customer, and happy management. When does the management become happy? When they get better profits and better sales, which will happen when the quality will be good and the customers will be satisfied. These professionals and students who learn how to apply the process excellence tools in the world of business will be more visible to the top management, and they can look forward to a higher growth in the career and a good track record for their career. It is a proven fact that persons trained in process excellence tools perform much better than their counterparts across the world. If you study the leading job sites on Google, including one of the well-known websites, Indeed.com, which operates for jobs in 50 countries, you would find that the practitioners or managers or learners of lean management, Lean Six Sigma, and such quality management techniques generally earn higher salaries for the jobs in UK, USA, Canada, Australia, to the extent of 30 to 40% more than average salaries for other jobs. And the scenario is similar in other countries, including Middle East and India. May not be measurable in direct dollar terms, but the situation is more or less similar. So these are the tools, process excellence tools, which can boost the person's career and increase the visibility in eyes of the top management. The management is happy because of better results, better profits. The customers are happy because of good products, good quality. They are more satisfied. And as employees, you will be more satisfied because you will contribute to good performance of the organization and also boost your career. So the magic of ISO, TQM, Lean and Six Sigma, that is the process excellence tools, can help you to become a part or a leader in the Make in India revolution, which will result in better products and services delivered faster and at lower cost. Yes, this sounds little conflicting. Sometimes people ask me, how can you give better product and service at lower cost? But yes, this is the magic of the process excellence tools. And this is what helps us to give more or improved value to the customer. These courses for process excellence leading to qualification certificates are available in online video recorded mode for self-paced learning. The QR code is provided to you right here. If you need any help to get the guidance on course selection, you can feel free to contact our senior advisors. Their details, email IDs, names, and WhatsApp numbers are shared with you here. Friends, best of luck. I hope this advisory will help you at least for the next coming 10 years in your life. If you found this video useful, please do like, subscribe, and share. Once again, best wishes to all the viewers. Thank you.